name's Gabe, and we're gonna do a fried chicken taste test.
Let's see, we have Popeyes,
and D.
KFC, Maddox, and Smith's Marketplace. Those are the 4 chickens that we're trying.
Yep. I'll start with letter A. Well, thing A. It looks a little bit odd to me.
How it has the stuff on top.
It looks like a club. It kind of looks like a club.
I think it has, I mean, it doesn't look as crunchy as some of the other ones.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Mmm.
Mm.
Tastes moist. Not really crunchy.
The breading has a good flavor. Not a lot, but good.
So I don't know what to say. I just don't know. We're doing the letter B.
Yep.
Now.
So I should, so letter B I think looks crunchier than A.
Yes.
Yeah.
A lot crunchier. Mmm. Super crunchy.
Greasier than the first one.
Oh, so crunchy.
But saltier, which is not a bad thing.
It's a lot crunchier than A.
Mm-hmm.
And I think it tastes really good.
So this one is way crunchier than A.
Okay, now we're gonna do letter C. I was about to say number.
Number C. So it's not nearly as dark as B's, not as light as A's, but I think this one has the potential to be crunchier than A and B.
Mmm. It's very crunchy. I like it.
I think I like how it's crunchy.
I don't like very crunchy things, but I don't like a lot of crunchy things, though.
Surprisingly, I think flavor-wise, I think I like B a little more than this one. But this one is crunchier, like level 10 crunchy.
We're doing
Letter
D.
Yep.
When I felt it, it feels very soft. And apparently
Yeah.
it's very sticky.
Very soft, sticky. Let's see. It pulls apart very easily. I think this one has the best smell out of all of them.
Ooh.
I think this is the best one that I
Hold it.
smelled.
Holy moly. The skin does break off. It breaks off pretty easily. Oh.
It's greasy. I think they've gotten progressively greasier. But flavor, I think this one wins for flavor.
I think I like this because it's really easy to get off. And it's also really good.
I think flavor-wise, this is my favorite. If this were crunchier, I would like it the most. I may like it the most.
The one that I liked the best was probably C.
See?
C, I was about to say G.
My favorite one was C also.
Okay, why was C your favorite, Gabe?
I like how crunchy it was, and I like the taste.
Because I like it how it's crunchy.
Crunchy?
And I think it's really good.
My favorite's going to be D. I think it has the most flavor and the most potential.
I didn't like D.
I like D a lot. That had...
I didn't like D that much.
Oh, I thought that was the best one.
No flavor. That one, no flavor.
A
no.
was CB Maddox. B was crunchier, a little greasier, but surprisingly,
I think it's Popeyes.
It's Smith's. C, the one that was crunchy,
KFC.
It's Popeyes.
What?
Popeyes is the crunchier one.
Really? I thought KFC was the crunchiest.
I'm doing this.
KFC is the one that has the most flavor. I only got the original recipe. I didn't get the extra crunchy. And I think had I gotten the extra crunchy, that would be dynamite. And I think that's why they came up with the extra crunchy is because of that.
Now we're gonna do the rolls and very.
It's okay. I mean, it's a roll.
It smells really good. Okay, trying it.
What's in there?
Bread.
I like it.
It's good with the honey.
Honey.
I can't say it correctly.
It's okay. I'm not gonna write home about it.
We're doing the next one.
And it's very, very little. Looks like it's very hard.
I think they're better when they're warm. This has been cooling out for about 20 minutes.
Oh, I don't like the smell.
No?
Oh.
It smells super buttery.
Mm-hmm.
I think you're sick, and so you can't tell what it smells like anyway.
He is.
Ew. Fine.
Final biscuit.
Smells like a biscuit.
Ooh, shocking.
It's very, very
The
soft.
final
With
biscuit.
mine, it's very soft in the middle. It's very doughy.
Okay, let's try it.
Well, I already tried it, but
So just tasting the different honeys. KFC, their honey is better. I think their honey sauce is better than Popeye's honey sauce. I like the softness of that biscuit. The one
I
before
like
it though
it better with this one.
had a better like outer flavoring, the coating, whatever chemical they put on. They spray it with and bake it with.
the one I just ate.
Boy.
So the one that we dipped in this one, or the one before that one?
The one before this one.
Okay, so the first one we ate, any guesses? The roll was from Maddox. It wasn't a bad roll, it was just a roll. The second one was from Popeyes. It was a Popeyes biscuit. And I would definitely say that's probably a lot better when it's warm. Because it doesn't, whatever fat they use inside, doesn't
That must mean
gelatinize when because it gets cold and you can
that
that.
that one. Then
that grease.
the last one must be KFC.
Last one was KFC's.
But we only had 3 because Smith's didn't have one.
That's right. But there you go. So KFC had the better chicken and biscuit.
That better from Popeyes.